Hello, welcome to this week's video. In this week's video I turn a burl, and I got the burl a few months ago when I was out with Pat and Cody. They are local arborists, and I was helping them cut up some cypress logs for a project we were doing along a walking track that we have here in town. And he gave me a couple of burls, and this one he did tell me what it was from, but I forget now. But I think it's some sort of pine, and there's a burl on the actual branch. So I thought I'd turn it this week, and I noticed it's got a bit of spalting on the branch side of it. So I thought I'd try and keep part of the branch that had the spalting and also the burl. And so the wall of the bowl was a lot thicker than normal. Anyway, I started out using a roughing gouge, and I used that until I got it down running true. From then on I used a 1/2-inch spindle gouge. There was some lovely spalting on one side of the branch, so I ended up keeping that, and I think the spalting was probably the best feature of the bowl. The burl part, it wasn't as good as what I thought. I thought the grain structure might have been a little bit all over the place, but it wasn't. Anyway, I was quite happy with it, the end result. In this video I've been using an old tripod that keeps falling apart on me, so I decided to get a better tripod, and I also got a dolly. It looks like a skateboard on wheels. So I've used it in a couple of shots on this video where the camera moves along a platform and gives you a bit of an overview of what I'm doing. I was quite impressed. Hopefully you'll find it entertaining, and no doubt you'll see me using the setup with the dolly on most of the videos that I'm doing from now on. I've also been trying to do a bit more mistletoe and resin, so I've had the pressure pot expire on me this week, so I've got to get another pressure pot, and then I'll start doing a few more resin projects. I haven't done any of the mistletoe ones for some time, so I've got a little bit of mistletoe there, and I'll have a go at that over the next couple of months, I suppose, once I get the new pressure pot installed. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.